Hello students, good morning everyone. I am Amrit, and in my last video we saw the part 2 of this chapter. Now in this video we will see the part 3. Let's start. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. Okay, so here we need to look at this picture. You can see here the picture is there. Okay, so can you just imagine when would have been this picture might have been taken? Okay, so here we can clearly find out, or we can tell that this picture might have taken during the floods or during the tsunami, means just after the tsunami. Okay, so here a boy is sitting and a dog also is there. Okay, so this, by looking this picture we can imagine that how devastation that has taken place. Okay, means the tsunami has destroyed each and everything. Okay, let's continue. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher grounds. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. Okay, so here we see that means uh, before the giant, here giant means huge or very big. Okay, when the huge waves slammed, here slammed means also hit forcefully, जोर से टकराई. Okay, so before the tsunami hit the area, uh, many animals, domestic and wild animals, they knew the things what is to be happen. Okay, so here you can see that animals like elephants, you can see that elephants screamed and ran for higher grounds, means they already means knew what is to happen and they went to the higher places. And like dogs, they used to go out every day for outdoors, but that day they refused to go out. And even the birds like flamingos, okay, flamingos, they abandoned their low lying breeding areas. What is breeding areas? Breeding areas means where they lay their young ones. Okay, so here by reading this paragraph we come to know that they are able to find out, or beforehand they are able to know that what is to happen. Okay, many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know what when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. Okay, so here, according to some experts, they believe that the animals possess sixth sense. They have sixth sense, means they can beforehand find out that earth is going to shake or something danger is to happen. Okay, let's see ahead. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. Now here we see that it is only believed. Okay, some people they believe, some experts they believe, but it is not confirmed either they have sixth sense or not. But here the fact is that when the sixth when the tsunami was to happen, many animals they shown their they had shown their different type of activities. Okay, not going out of the house, they are moving towards the higher places and all this. So that shows that they have a sixth sense, means they're able to know what is to happen. Okay, so it was found in the survey that when the tsunami hit that country, different countries, 150,000 people were dead, but not many animals have been reported dead. That means animals were already, they know, and they knew already, and they were in a safer place. Let's see ahead. Along India's Cuddler coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. See here, uh, in India there is a Cuddler coast. Okay, in that, uh, we means after the survey they found out that there lived thousands of people were perished. Okay, in that coast, thousands of people means so many people they were dead. But while the people there were dead at that time also, it was noticed that buffaloes, goats, and dogs they were found unharmed, means they were not uh, harmed. Okay, they already means they knew, or they sensed that something danger is happening and so will happen, and so they already means they had gone to the safer places, and that's why they were unharmed. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangala beach inside the park, but no animals carcasses were found. Carcasses were found, except for two water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed three elephants running away from the Patangala beach. Okay, so during that tsunami, after just tsunami had taken place, uh, this many people were found dead, but no animal carcasses were found. Here, carcasses means dead body of animal is called carcasses. Okay, so here during that, even in the Yala National Park, they were observed that means, there were not many animals were dead, and elephants they were running out towards the means they were running away from the Patangala beach. They were running towards the safer places. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gale said his two dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. So, a Sri Lankan man, gentleman who lives in the uh, Gallic coast. Okay, so he told that uh, he had a pet dogs, and he told that every day means their dogs were very eager to go to the beach for outing or walking. Okay, but on that particular day when the tsunami is to take place, that time uh, these dogs were not ready to go out, and probably that's why he did not go to the outer place, and he also was saved. Okay, so many students, here we have completed this chapter. Hope everyone has understood well. Now what you do, you try to do this question answer for your homework. Okay, this comprehension check, it's very easy. You have to write in short answer and you can do it. Like question number 1, in the tsunami 150,000 people died, how many animals died? So to just find out there, it is written there 150,000 people are dead, but few animals were dead, so that you have to just find out and write it. Question 2, how many people and animals died in Yala National Park? Just go through this uh, part 3, that you can find out this answer. Okay, question number 3, what do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? So what is being spoken by the people? So that we now studied that Yala National Park, during this time of tsunami, all animals had already gone to their safer places. All that you can write it. Okay, question number 4, what did the dogs in Gale do? So just now here we saw that in Gale means the dogs, they were not ready to go for their regular outings, okay, and they refused, and that is why they were saved, as well as his owner also was saved. Okay, so this is for your homework today. This comprehension check, uh, part third, you have to do it for yourselves. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.